Namaste students. Today we are going to see Dravida Suktayaha lesson 1 of 12th standard Sanskrit. Prastavana Samskrite. Introduction in Sanskrit. Tirukkural Granthaha Dravida Bhashayam Prasiddhaha Asti. Asmin Granthe Manushya Jeevanasya अत्यावश्यक विषयाः भवन्ति। अयं ग्रन्थः बहुभिः विद्वद्भिः संस्कृतभाषायाम् अनुवादः कृतः अस्ति। तेषु अप्पादीक्षितस्य अनुवादः सुनीतिकुसुममाला इति नाम्ना प्रसिद्धः। तस्मात् केचन श्लोकाः पाठनार्थं प्रदत्ताः विद्यन्ते। Introduction. The famous Tamil poem Tirukkural is written by the great poet Thiruvalluvar. We get vast knowledge from Tirukkural. The Tirukkural is translated by many scholars in Sanskrit. Among them, Shri Appadikshita has translated in the name of Suniti Kusuma Mala. From that, few shlokas have taken for lesson 1 Dravida Suktayaha. Now let us see first 3 shlokas of Dravida Suktayaha in this session. Prathamaha shlokaha Bhagavad Bhaktihi समस्त शास्त्र चिंतनैरहर्निशञ्च किं फलम् महेश पादवन्दनं हृदापि नातनोति चेत् समस्त शास्त्र चिंतनैरहर्निशञ्च किं फलम् महेश पादवन्दनं हृदापि नातनोति चेत् கற்றதனால் ஆய பயனென்கொள் வாலறிவன் நற்றால் தொழாஅர் எனின். Now we will see the padachhedaha, word split of first suktihi. Samasta shastra chintanaihi aharnisham cha kim phalam महेशपादवन्दनं हृदा अपि न आतनोति चेत्. Now we look at the padarthaha, word meaning of suktihi. Kim phalam, what profit have? Samasta shastra chintanaihi, by learning of all shastras. Aharnishancha, day and night. Na atanoti ched, who does not worship. Mahesha padavandanam, pure feet of God. Hrida api, by mind. The explanation of first shloka Bhagavad Bhaktihi is, what profit have those derived from learning who worship not the good feet of him who is possessed of pure knowledge? Now let us analyze the sandhihi of Bhagavad Bhaktihi shloka. Sandhihi means join the words. Na plus atanoti, natanoti. Hrida plus api, hridapi. Now we analyze the compound words samasaha from Bhagavad Bhaktihi shloka. Samasta shastra chintanaihi, समस्त शास्त्राणां चिन्तनं तैः अहर्निशं च अहश्च निशा च महेश पादवन्दनं महेशस्य पादौ तयोः वन्दनं विपरीत पदम opposite word ahaha nisha. In this shloka a word used as ahaha, the synonym of ahaha is dinam. We know indeclinable is called in Sanskrit as avyayam. What is avyayam? Avyayam means sadrisham trishu lingeshu sarvasu cha vibhaktishu vachaneshu cha sarveshu yannavyeti tadavyayam. It means a word won't change for any kind of reason, that is called indeclinable, avyayam. Here in this shloka we have 4 avyayani. They are cha, na, chet, api. From given sentences in the exam, we have to pick avyaya word correctly. Now let us see the Vyakarana Rupam, grammatical forms. In this shloka, we have only one verb, that is atanoti. Atanoti is belongs to lat lakaraha, which is present tense. Prathama purushaha, it means third person. Ekavachanam, singular, of tan with a, means to think. In the exam, we may ask as Bhagavad Bhaktim Adhikritya Likhata. Write about the devotion to God. Then we have to answer as Samasta Shastra Chintanai Raharnishancha Kim Phalam Mahesha Pada Vandanam Hridapi Natanoti Chet. Explanation: what profit have those derived from learning who worship not the good feet of him who is possessed of pure knowledge? Now we are going to see the second shloka of Dravida Suktihi. The heading is Dharma Mahima. Suktihi Amarshanam Gunaspruha Prakopanancha Durvachaha Manomalam Vinamuna Kritam tu Dharmataspadam. Amarshanam Gunaspruha Prakopanancha Durvachaha Manomalam Vinamuna Kritam tu Dharmataspadam. Kural Alukkaru Avaveguli Innachol Nangum Ilukka Iyandrathu Aram. Now we look at Padachhedaha, word split of Suktihi. Amarshanam Gunaspruha Prakopanam cha Durvachaha Manomalam Vina Amuna Kritam tu Dharmataspadam. Now we are going to see Padarthaha, word meaning of Sukti. Amarshanam, jealousy. Gunaspruha, desire. Prakopanam, anger. Cha, and. Durvachaha, bad words. Manomalam, impurity of mind. Vina, without. Amuna, by these. Kritam tu, if done. Dharmatas padam, abode of dharma. The explanation of dharma mahima is that conduct is virtue which is free from these four things: vice, malice, desire, anger, and bitter speech. Now we look at the grammar portion of this shloka. Sandhihi, join the words. In this shloka, we have only one word, Vinamuna. Vina plus Amuna, Vinamuna. Samasaha, the compound word. In this shloka, we have three compound words. First one is Manasaha Malam, that is Manomalam. The second one is Dharmasya Bhavaha Dharmata Tasyaha Aspadam, that is Dharmataspadam. Third one is Na Marshanam Yatra Tatu, that is Amarshanam. In this shloka, we have one opposite word, Durvachaha. The opposite word of Durvachaha is, we are going to see the Prashnottari, question and answers of second shloka. Prashnaha. The question is, Dharmasya Lakshanam Kim? What is the characteristic of Dharma? Uttaram. Answer in Sanskrit. Amarshanam, Gunaspruha, Prakopanam, Durvachaha, Adayaha. Manomalam Vina Kritam Karyam, Dharmatam Aspadam Bhajate. The conduct is virtue which is free from these four things: vice, malice, desire, anger, and bitter speech. Now we are going to see third shloka of Dravida Suktayaha. The topic is Satputraha. Samasta Shastra Vallabhaha Sutastaveti Sanmukhat Nishamya Putra Labhataha Param Prasuhu Sukham Bhajet. Samasta Shastra Vallabhaha Sutastaveti Sanmukhat Nishamya Putra Labhataha Param Prasuhu Sukham Bhajet. ஈன்ற பொழுதின் பெரிதுவக்கும் தன் மகனை சான்றோன் எனக் கேட்ட தாய். Word split of Suktihi. That is, Padachhedaha of this shloka is Samasta Shastra Vallabhaha Sutaha Tava Iti Sanmukha Nishamya Putra Labhataha Param Prasuhu Sukham Bhajet. The word meaning of this shloka, that is Padarthaha, Samasta Shastra Vallabhaha, expert in all Shastras, Sutaha, son, Tava, yours, Iti, thus, Sanmukhat, from good person, Nishamya, after hearing, Putra Labhataha Param, did at his birth, Prasuhu, mother, Sukham Bhajet, rejoice. The explanation of third shloka in the topic of Satputraha is: the mother who hears her son called a wise man will rejoice more than she did at his birth. Now we are going to see the grammar portion of third shloka. Sandhihi. Join the words. Sutaha plus Tava. Sutastava. Tava plus Iti. Taveti. Samasaha. Compound word. There are two compound words in this shloka. Shastreshu Vallabhaha, that is Shastra Vallabhaha. Satam Mukham Tasmat Sanmukhat. In this shloka, we have one opposite word, Labhaha. The opposite word of Labhaha is Nashtaha. Samanarthaha, meaning in Sanskrit. Putraha. The synonym of Putraha is Sutaha. Now we are going to see Prashnottari, question and answer. Mata kada santushta bhavati. When the mother feel happy? The answer is Tava putraha samasta shastra vallabhaha iti mahatmanam vakyam shrutva mata santushta bhavati. The answer in English: the mother who hears her son called a wise man will rejoice more than she did at his birth. Dear students, in this session we have completed 3 shlokas of Dravida Suktayaha. From that we may expect these questions. So you have to answer carefully for these shlokas and practice in your notebook or classwork. The expected questions are: number 1, Dravida Suktitaha Trin Shlokan Vyakhyata. Explain 3 shlokas from Dravida Sukti. The second question is: Appadikshitena Praniteshu Nititrayam Yatha Grantham Vivrunuta. Explain 3 morals as per lesson told by Appadikshita. Third one is Tippanim Likhata. Write note on the following topics. First topic is Bhagavad Bhaktihi, devotion to God as per the lesson Dravida Sukti. Second one is Dharma Lakshanam, characteristic of Dharma. Third one is Satputraha. Thank you, students. सुवाचाः